Jadlyn. I'm a pre-vet major, and today is the SANS First Look Fair, which is the School of Agriculture and Natural Sciences. Let's go in and see the fair. Hey guys, they handing out these passports once you came in, and if you get 4 stamps, you can get some UMES merch. We're now about to go fill out this passport, so let's go.
Educational purpose, so it's me. Basically, you can see
This table is very interesting. I love the pretty flowers. Let's go learn more about it. You grew them here?
Yeah.
It's like a greenery around here? Oh.
What are you signing the paper for?
I'm gonna join this club.
She wants more information on the Food and Agriculture Sciences Club.
Hey guys, we're now at the pre-vet table, and I'm here with Pee-wee. He was born last spring, and he's actually not that heavy, but he is super cute. Your club?
So we're 4-H. Have you ever heard of us before?
Oh, no.
Okay. So we're a youth organization that actually serves K through 12 youth, but we're stationed here on campus.
Okay.
So we're not so much a club for
More like an organization?
yeah, but we can offer a lot of volunteer opportunities for you.
Okay.
So like if you're in MANRRS or something like that, we often partner with them to do help you do your community service.
Okay.
But yeah, we work with after school programs, or you can go into schools and do STEM education. We work with all ages 18 and under. So we have a few opportunities to volunteer coming up. We do a lot of community gardening, so cleanup days, plantings, all of that. So that's what we have coming up in the next month or two. And then we're holding a big event over in the engineering building on October 18th. It's called the STEM Expo.
Hey guys, I just got a sticker from the UMES 4-H STEM, and I'm very excited for their expo that's coming up October 18th. So if you are a STEM major, come with me because I'm going to also be there. Let's go get our next sticker.
So with the Pre-Pharmacy Club, we work with the pharmacy school. It's a 3-year program. So basically what we do is we talk about the different prerequisites we need for pharmacy school, whether you're going here or if you're going in any other pharmacy school. We have guest speakers come, professors that work at the pharmacy school, students that would come, students that are at the pharmacy school or are at different pharmacy schools. And we just talk, they talk about their different fields and how any advice they could give us. We have different fundraisers. Hi.
Hey. Okay, I will send her that email.
We think about different pharmacy month is October, so we're gonna have more like activities then. But yeah, that's pretty much it.
Can any major come?
Any major can come.
Okay,
Yeah.
I didn't know that. I
Yeah.
thought you had to be a pharmacy major.
No, we're open to all people.
Okay.
Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay guys, I just got my 3rd sticker from the Pre-Pharmacy Club. I just also followed them on Instagram at prefarm.umes. If you're a pharmacy major or if you're not, you should definitely come join this club. So let's go get my next sticker. We haven't been to my favorite table yet, which is MANRRS, so let's go. Hello.
Y'all saved the best for last.
Yes. I knew it. So guys, we're here with the vice president of MANRRS, and she's going to tell us more about this club.
Hi guys, my name's Amari Christopher. As she said, I'm the vice president. So MANRRS is a Minorities in Agriculture, Natural Resources, and Sciences group. And basically we dwell around all types of majors, biology, pre-med, agribusiness, horticulture, all that stuff. And basically our club is more about career building and giving you that job that you want at the end of you graduate, or even graduate school to get some scholarship money for that. And as you can tell, we do a lot of activities. We travel. So this year we have a national conference and we're going to Dallas, Texas, Houston, Texas, baby. And yeah, we do game nights. We also offer career opportunities. We also get you guys to conferences. We can fund you guys to get us to conferences. Connect with us on our Instagram to find out about more events, opportunities. And then we have our QR code if you want to join. And yeah, then there's our goodies.
Can anybody join MANRRS, or you have to be a part of
Anybody. Well, agriculture majors in specific. So majors like agriculture, animal science. Aren't you animal science queen?
Yes, I am a pre-vet major.
What do you want? And then agribusiness, horticulture, social science, biology, wildlife, biology, biology, oh my gosh. And then again, in our national conference, we want people like freshmen and sophomores to join. So then when there's, I think at the end of the conference, there's a job fair. So for people who are sophomores or juniors can get internships or even a connection. It's all about building connections with our group and getting you to that end goal to get a job.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Hi. Can you tell me more about the Environmental Science Association?
Okay, so we're a club that cares about the earth, and we would like to volunteer and do community work around the school and on campus. One of our most recent events that we did was we went to a campsite, and they had different activities like kayaking, fishing, science lab. It was just to show us how more important the environment is and what we can do around the environment to make it better. There's some things on here that you can see. Let me get out. This board just shows who we are, our goals, and why to join ESA. Some of the things over there as well would be like activism with beach cleanup, ecosystem restoration, composting, recycling events. And some of the main things that we do. Have you ever been to Carl Hall? There's an office right there. Miss Julie's in that office. She has some of these exhibits right here. They're pretty cool, not gonna lie. This is my first year actually being on e-board and seeing half this stuff. It makes me see like, oh my gosh, like the earth is actually living.
Thank you. I just got my final sticker for the Environmental Science Club, so let's go get my bag. Hello. I'll take the bag. Thank you. Okay guys, that pretty much wraps up our time here at the SANS First Look Fair. If you guys missed it, you can definitely come check it out next fall. It happens every fall, and this is the merch that we got today. We did miss a lot of the tables, but it was very fun being at this fair, and I hope I see y'all next